Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, as you can see, I'm gonna apply for DBS. If you wanna apply for your PCO license in London, you must follow this step. Other DBS is going to be not going to be work, so you must apply the DBS through this company which is approved by TFL. So let's start. Right, first advantage online disclosures. So you're gonna go to their website. So first we need to do the registration step one. So we're gonna click, you're gonna click the first link as well. Now we're gonna first register. So on the right hand side is say register, then you're gonna click on the register. Now you're gonna put your all the details, the org pin. So this org pin is going to be same for every single person. I'm gonna write it down over here. So the org pin is going to be 104172. This is going to be same for every single person. So you're going to put your full name, email address, confirm, then press the next step. So when you're going to click the next step, so it's going to say confirm tph private hire driver. Yeah, so we're going to apply for private hire. So the secret word is going to be same for every single person as well. So the secret word, I'm going to write it down here, is tph.CRB. So again, same for every single person. Now you're going to put the password here, then you're going to complete your registration, then you log in, and then we're going to do the next step. So complete registration. After that now we're going to begin our applications straight away. Now we're going to put some document as well. We have to give the informations. Just click this one, just consent. Yeah, just we proceed the application, and in here you're gonna put all your personal details. I'm gonna hide this one. Just put all your name, surname, and if your middle name, your date of birth, yeah, all information you need to put over here. So when you put this detail, then you're gonna click next. So now we gonna, it's up to you if you wanna give the number. Up to you. Now you're gonna give them the 5 years old your address history. When you put your address, then they're gonna asking you what is your position in the organization. So it's private hire, definitely. Your nationality, you're gonna put your nationality over here. In my case is the UK. Then select a verification document now. So this is very important. So this document you're gonna select it. You're gonna go to the post office. Then you're gonna provide the similar document which you're gonna put now. So you read this is very important. So just read this one. They're gonna explain everything. Just read this all, and you will find out which document you need to put it. So I have a valid passport. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna put the details. So you're gonna select two. I select one, the passport. Other is the driving license. If you don't have a passport, then you must have a biometric residence permit. So now we're gonna view group 2 documents. So you're gonna click, just select one here. So you can select one from group 2A documents, or you can select from the group 2 documents. Only one you have to select it. So I'm gonna put, just you can put your bank statement, utility bill. I'm gonna put utility bill in my case. And you're gonna put the date of issue. Then you must take this one to the post office as well, because when you're gonna go to the post office, so you're gonna click this one. So at least one form of the document selected contains the current address, which is the UK driving license. So here one is going to be contain date of birth, which could be passport. Document evidence was provided. The application name and any name changes were available. You don't need to click this one. We did not change. If you change the name, then you have to put this one, but you must click that one as well. So now you have to put personal reference number is optional. If you want to put it, it's up to you guys. So if you click this one, they're gonna send you the email that your process of your application. Do you have any convictions? Question. If you have, then you must click this one. Otherwise, click no. Then confirm and submit the application. Now, so when you submit the application, so you must do this last step. So it's a print document selection. So you're gonna have this document. So you must print this one and take to the post office when you're gonna do the your DBS last step. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope so this video is going to be informative for you and you like this video. If you need any help, just WhatsApp me. You can see my number on the screen, and good luck for your PCO applications. Thank you so much.